we can driving back, must drive.
Too late? It's too late.
So wait till the next come at 12 o'clock.
The ice is so big.
Hi guys, it's me Michelle B and heartless welcome sa YouTube channel. Hello. Kamusta po kayo? Good morning. It's early in the morning guys and it's our third day here and we're going to the Legoland. Because the Rafaela is excited. Rafaela, Legoland? Matimsug. Legoland, matimsug. Sobrang aga, 7. Sobrang aga dahil maaga dapat nandun na. How many hours? Malami is like 1 hour and 20 minutes, yeah? 1 hour and 20 minutes by train. From here in our place. See you guys later. Is it rain or hello guys, we're now here in the train station. Ayan, sabi ko pala kahapon, Strassenbahn. Train pala to guys. Kasi sabi niya kasi nung una, ng aking asawa ay nagpipicture. Ng aking asawa is Strassen pala. Train to train. Come na Rafael boy. Oh, links, yeah. And we're waiting for our train, guys. Punta ng München Hofbahnhof or pinaka train station nila. Kanya kasi doon kami manggagaling papunta ng Legoland. Ayan. So from there, 1 hour and 20 minutes sabi doon sa sa pag-search namin. So yung aming in 2 minutes, ayan. 2 minutes. Darating yung aming bus. Ayan. Dito galing. Ay, bus. Train dito galing. Ayan. Saan ba yung So yes, sobrang aga namin dahil malayo yung malayo dito sa amin yung Legoland. But kung mag-drive kami ng auto is 2 hours, but with the train is 1 and 20 minutes, something like that. Kasi mag-change kami ng another train, kaya ganun. So yeah, it's coming. Oh, cool. Oh, it's so. The train's coming. See. Happy yung bata na sakay naman siya ng train. Hi guys, nandito na kami sa aming Gleich. Ay, oo, tama. Grabe, ang laki pala nitong Hofbahnhof ng München. Sobrang laki. Ang daming nakapark na mga Siyempre mga glaze, something like that. So yeah. Ito, may train sa kabila, may train sa kabila, may train. Sobrang dami. Guys, sa loob na kami ng aming train. Ayan, wala pa masyadong tao. Ayan, nandito na kami sa ito. Yan yung bata namin. So yes, that's us. This is my outfit for today. Look at you. And this is for Rafael boy kasi kailangan sporty siya para kagalaw siya kasi para sa kanya ang araw na to. Para sa aming bata ang araw na to dahil it's his day to go to Legoland. Yeah, today is Rafael's day. Legoland, yeah?
Da, fragt das so hoch. Nach runter. Runter.
So yeah, I'm so excited. Legoland. Hier
Tomatas gegessen.
Tomaten gegessen.
Hund in die Bahn sitzen. I denk. Hund.
Yeah, is Papa Brown coming? It's here?
Yeah, drive. Meet the driver.
Guys, after 1 hour and 20 minutes, dito na kami sa Kunzburg. Tapos, waiting lang kami ng shuttle bus. So, punta ng Legoland. May shuttle bus sila dito. Ayun. Ano nakalagay dyan. I'm excited na aming bata. Yeah. Yeah, they got this glücklich. Der Hund ist glücklich. Yeah, der Hund ist glücklich. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We're waiting and then Legoland. Yay! He's so happy. Napala sa glücklich. It's Papa out. Papa siya glücklich. See you later, guys. Draußen geraf hele boy. Peppa Pig is daar. It's Legoland. It's Legoland, yeah. Zugfahren. Ansteigen. Nandito na kami, guys, sa Lego Land. Magkakatabi lang sila kay Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig is da.
Peppa Pig. Erstmal auf Together ist der Tag.
A lot of people. So yeah. It's Legoland. Hello guys, we're now in Legoland here. That's Legoland. Oh yeah. It's really early. Look more, Rafael. That's Legoland. That's for Rafael, boy. Look more here, Rafael. A photo market. Legoland photo market. Come. Here, look more over here. Here, handy, Rafael. In one handy, Vishal handy. See, Legoland.
Okay, Nick. Soup.
Oh, so fun. Come on. Come on.
Yeah, pizza.
Oh, yeah. Station. Come. Ganda. This one is the Lego City.
Wo ist Achterbahn?
That's the boat. Activan, I think the Activan the first. Oh, that's a boat, oh. But it's good for Rafael. Uh-huh. Oh, schön. Made of Lego all. Rafael, boy, come. Da stehen da. Ja, stehen. Guck in her. Schlingen schön. Hier. Guck mal den Boot. Stehen da. Das Foto machen. Yay. Okay. Come, Rafael, boy. Oh, wow. Oh, there's a plane. That's okay for Rafael, though. Yeah. This boat, oh. This boat, oh. Wow. What's the active one? Come. Ganda. The ACE. Rafael, come on here. Mein Schlingen chin. Oh, yeah. Okay, malabi go. Ang ganda. Ito yung, this is what Jackie said, what do you call this one? This is the Paris. Okay. So we go here. Oh. Ay, schön, this houses. And it's moving.
Guck mal, Legoland ist hier.
Guck mal, oh. Activan, he likes Activan. And here also, there's a lot of houses. Activan is here, malapit. Legoland City, Lego Express.
Il coccodrillo di Peter Pan mi ha mangiato la mano. Vieni qua.
Living Shrimpers, Roxy. Do you at the back or what? You sit at the back?
Ja.
Schlingenchen, das ist Schlingenchen jetzt.
Das bin ich nach vorne.
Vorne. Wow.
Am schnellen Raphael.
Yay, the Schlingenchen so happy. It's the arena, malabi ko kung you can make photo because it's slowly, yeah? Wow. Hello. Sa Legoland. Oh yeah, malabi we can go there also, yeah? That's malabi the water. Oh, you're kind of falling by the water. It's malabi at the back. And the Schlingenchen, oh. Here. What's the mirror here? Mirror? Also. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Papa Frank is da. Magst du Schokobrötchen essen, oder?
Daar gaat het ook feber daar.
Oh, guck mal da. Wow. Hey. Nee, Schubsit, genau. Oh.
Giraffe.
Giraffe. Oh, guck mal, it's Wasser. Ah, you can swimming the kids da also. But we don't have swimming clothes, Rafael. But I bring you another clothes if you want. Wow, soon. The other people goes. Pangalawa naming rides. Ayan. So, buti na lang nakita namin ito. Maganda pa, maano pala. Slowly lang ito para sa mata namin. Slowly lang, maganda sa bata. Ja, Rafael? Rafael is glücklich? Du magst das später da, ja?
Da in die Wasser.
Oh, ja, ja. Third. What's it? It's coming down. Not here. Oh, yeah. Zugfahren. Maybe in another side, malapit difficult to start. That's the one that we drive. We go back, yeah? Daming people. Wow. Wow. Hi guys. Update. Ano pala kami? Sumakay kami ng ekspedisyon. Parang water. Water. Grabe. Rafael, here, bita. Other side. Nabasa kami. Sebanya. Banok man, ya? Yes, so yeah. Parte.
Siegessäule in Berlin.
Oo, sure. Oops, Rafaeli boy. May marami cook is a lot of shift, yeah? Guys, update. Dito pa rin kami sa Legoland. At ang oras ito ay yung mabang oras na. Sa hapon na guys, grabe. Sumakay kami sa ito. Lalaki dito dadaan. Yan. May dadaan siya dito. Pero kung dito ba yung mag-ama? Grabe niya ng extreme niya. Tapos, pumunit yung mag-ama. Sabi ko, hindi na ako. Ito. Ayan yung papunta na padaan. Ayan! Sumakay kami dyan. Saglit lang naman siya. Pero, pabalintong-balintong ba? Sabi ko, dito lang ako. Antayin ko sila. Yung bag namin. Yung bag. Sumakay kami sa, ano yun? Expedition. Something like that. Yung parang water, yung ano, falls. Nakadalawang ulit kami doon. Ganda. Basa-basa lang nga lang siya yung asawa ko. Tsaka si ano, Rafael dahil matubig talaga. Matubig. Tapos, buti na lang may dala akong damit ni Rafael. So, palitan ko na siya. So, yeah. Sakit ang bata ko kasi hindi ko magamit yung aking ano, atag ito, glasses kasi. Nabasa siya tapos, ano na siya, parang malabo. So, antayin ko kung nasaan sila. Diba? Kami dito and we end up our day here eating ice.
Ja, bis next year.
Bis next year, ja. Hier op een okay.
Fuß an der Stelle.
Bitte schön. Danke. Tschüss. Tschüss, Legoland. Come, we go here in front and we take picture now. In front. Tschüss!
Morgen Wasserrutsche.
Oh ja.
Morgen Wasserrutsche.
Mukbang. Ang mahalaga nag-enjoy yung bata. Tschüss, Legoland! Tschüss, Legoland! Papa, come here, Papa. Papa Frank, come here. The other side of Papa Frank. Rafael in the middle, mit Papa. Come.
Eis, komm, zeig. Umdrehen, Raphael, umdrehen.
Yay! Okay.
So, ist hier rechts der Bus.
Okay, bus point. Oh, there's a bus. Da. Guck mal, the bus is da. Da? I know. So guys, ito ko na tatapusin yung vlog na ito. Ang mahalaga na enjoy talaga yung bata namin at tinanong ko naman sila. Masaya naman sila. Pati yung asawa ko. Nag-enjoy din kasi favorite ng asawa ko ganito guys, yung mga ano, mga theme park. It's his favorite. So yeah, that's next one. So thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you like this video and I will see you guys in our next one. Always smile and God bless us all. Please subscribe if you haven't yet.